Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this all-new 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This is one of the only 19 SPX in its class with the option for an outboard. Right here we have it featured with a 150, although a 200 could be put on it as well. Coming inside this 19 SPX, obviously have your glove box. There's lots of storage in this boat. This whole spot underneath there is storage. Hard to see in the video. Your seat here, there's a cushion underneath here that could be taken out and put in that spot so you can lounge out. In the back here we have some storage. Underneath this big one we have a fully insulated cooler with a drain. Really nice. Hold all your beverages. Nice spacious bow. Got a Fusion stereo system, which is really nice. Got the gray interior, Fusion head unit. All your tacks, depth finder, everything here. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. And like always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.